Dope entertainment.
Okay.
Dope entertainment. Okay. And this is what I'm saying. Destroying other people's existence, man. I'm so motherfucking vicious, man. I don't give a fuck. Niggas better duck because now I'm laughing. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
I just said it, but I'ma say it again. I like girls, thick and thin. I'm not picky. I leave a fucking hickey. My name is D, boy. I'm trying to see what's under your Vicky. Yeah, them Vicky secrets. I'm trying to get in it. I got guap, nigga, but I just spent it. So I'm kinda broke. That's a funny joke, but I keep it real, nigga. I'm trying to poke. Yeah, no strings attached. I'm sitting here with AJ, the Mac.
Man.
Yeah, Mac and roll, nigga. We stay toasted. Yeah, we the best. We the best. From here to Oakland. Hey,
Man.
hey, yeah.
Tell them about Oakland, 7-3 Max, 7-8 I focus. Yeah, I'm steady going with that nigga Mac and D up in the scraping on the sixes and we floating. Yeah, I'm high in the motherfucker. Got the 9 extended clip, busting all you suckers. I ain't tripping off, name nothing. I swear to God, man, see me on the block in the main thing. Coming with my nigga Mac, bro. I swear to God, man, we quick to Mac a hoe. I swear to God, it ain't never been a thing. Take your bitch even if she got a wedding ring. I prefer the better things in life. I swear to God, say it right now. I mix vodka with the Sprite. I'm living nice. She say the swag is right, the swag is tight. I live my life and I get it right, nigga.
Oh, yeah. And